Hello everybody and welcome to the Mobility Direct YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to show you how to unbox and assemble the Golden Technologies LiteRider mobility scooter in the three-wheel configuration. It's a perfect mobility scooter for those that like to go outdoors. It has larger tires that allow it to go on grass, 2 storage compartments including a front basket and an under-seat basket. You can opt in for a third, which is a paid accessory for the rear. It's a larger cage style basket. It has a double padded seat and more floor space than any other three-wheel mobility scooter out there. It's perfect if you have pets and you like going outdoors, if you like going fishing. The three-wheel version does have extra foot space and it turns sharper. You can get it in a four-wheel version. However, the four-wheel version doesn't have as much foot space because of the wheel wells that go over the front 2 wheels. It is a little bit more stable for going on grass. However, if you get the 3-wheel or the 4-wheel, they both perform pretty well on grass. Now, I just want to mention a couple quick things before we get started. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of the site that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway raffle. That's right, once a month we give away a free powered mobility product to a random subscriber of our YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and you could be the next lucky winner. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we have the box here. It comes with some pallet straps. It will arrive on a wooden crate. We already removed it from the wooden crate. We cut the pallet straps and now we're just opening the box. Be careful, there are some sharp staples along the top part of the box. So when you open it, just be mindful of those staples so that you don't rub up against them. And as you can see, once you open the box, everything is neatly organized inside of the box and wrapped up with some thick bubble wrap. So we're taking out the underseat storage first, which is magnetic. It's easy to install and detach. This scooter does come apart very easily, and we're going to show you how to do that at the end here. Now we're showing you the basket. In the basket, there's a box that contains the charger, and we'll show you how all that works. Now we're taking out any excess pieces of bubble wrap. Every Golden scooter comes with a safety flag. You'll find the user manual. Make sure you read that in its entirety. What we're doing now is we're loosening the tiller adjustment knob so that we can raise the tiller. So you'll want to do that. In order to take the scooter out of the box, you do have to raise the tiller, and there's a knob on the right side of the steering column. Loosen that up, bring it up, and retighten. Now we're just removing the seat, which was wedged under the steering column. So once you raise that steering column, you can remove the seat. We're just now removing any excess pieces of bubble wrap, and we're getting ready to remove the scooter. First thing you want to do is remove the big piece of cardboard that's at the front of the box in front of the front wheel. And you'll want to get something sharp, like a knife, a box cutter, a pair of scissors, because what we're going to do now is simplify the process of removing the scooter from the box. We're going to cut along the front corners of the box, and we're going to kind of create a little access entryway / exit space for the scooter to roll right out of the box. And you want to keep your packaging just in case you want to return your scooter. The next thing you want to do is hit that yellow lever on the back side of the scooter on the right. It's a little yellow lever. You'll want to put it in the neutral position. That way the wheels will roll freely. And be careful as you're rolling it out, you're going to notice that the armrests were actually underneath the scooter. So you'll want to make sure you're doing this in an area that kind of has a smooth ground that's not going to scratch those armrests. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a pair of scissors, cut the giant zip tie that's wrapped around the battery pack. So you can actually remove the battery pack. You'll need to do that. The battery pack is installed, however, there's these 2 blocks that are preventing the terminal connectors on the battery box and the scooter from making contact. So you won't be able to turn it on unless you do this. So once you have the battery pack installed with the block connectors removed, grab your key. It's in the user manual bag. Turn the key ignition on. And if you hear it beeping and not working, that's because you forgot to put that yellow lever back in the drive position. So your scooter's still in neutral. So go ahead and put it in drive mode, and now you can attach the front basket. There's just 3 little hooks. The under seat basket just has magnets, so you just drop it in. It's not going anywhere. And now we're just going to go ahead and unpackage the seat, which just has some plastic wrap around the bottom part and the backrest. Now underneath the seat in the middle, there's a little male connector that installs into the female connector of the seat post assembly. And when the seat's all the way in, you can check it by making sure the rotation lever on the right hand side is working. It should lock into position as you're rotating it. Now what we're doing is we're loosening the hand screws for the armrest sleeve. They need to be loosened up quite a bit or else the armrest will not slide into the sleeve. Once you have the armrests into the sleeves, you just want to retighten those knobs to give that armrest the stability it needs, and it's going to be nice and secure with those knobs tightened all the way. Now this scooter comes with a double padded seat, which is very, very comfortable compared to most scooters. It has one of the most comfortable seats out there. The armrests do flip up, and you can tilt the tiller further away or closer to you with that adjustment knob that we're showing you now. Now the scooter does have a lock for the front steering, and if it's locked and you're not able to turn it, you're going to want to unlock it with that knob. Now we're just going to show you how to quickly disassemble the scooter. The first thing you can do is remove the basket. There's no levers, just pick straight up. Then you want to lower the backrest and pick straight up on the seat. Don't tilt in any direction or else the seat will appear as if though it's stuck. You can lift the seat right up and it comes right off. It's very easy to do so. The battery box does have a convenient handle, so you can just pull up. And we do want to mention that the battery box has a charging port on it. However, you can also charge the batteries using the charging port on the tiller as well. So you have two different options. You have the battery box charging port and the tiller charging port, which is pretty convenient. Now the underseat basket comes right out. Like we said, it's attached with magnets, so there's really nothing to it. Now to remove the back half, there's a little lever which we're giving action right now to demonstrate for you where it's located. And what you want to do is grab the seat post with one hand, and with the other hand, grab that lever, depress it, and pick straight up on the frame. Now we're showing you the two little yellow painted studs on the bottom part of the front of the frame. Those yellow studs need to line up with the hooks on the rear part of the frame, and you just want to drop those yellow studs right into the hooks on the rear part of the frame when you're putting it back together. All in all, you can disassemble this scooter pretty well, and it's going to be easy to put it in the trunk of the car, which makes it extremely versatile, and it's a great scooter for people that like to go out and about with their scooter without having to pay for a expensive bulky vehicle platform lift that goes on the back of your car. So now we're just putting everything back together. Very easy to do so. It's a really great scooter made by a really trusted manufacturing company that offers an industry-leading parts warranty, and you get a 1-year repair contract as well. So if something goes wrong within the first year, technician gets dispatched to your home to solve the issue as long as it's approved by the warranty department. We love the LiteRider scooter. If you want to learn more about it, we have tons of other videos showing you more about this scooter. This was just an unboxing and assembly tutorial. So if you want to learn more about it, I encourage you to go to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, search for the LiteRider scooter videos, and you're going to learn a lot more about this scooter. You can also give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'd love to hear from you. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you again so much for stopping by our YouTube channel. Have a great day.